I'm going to show you how to enable and also how to disable USB debugging on your OnePlus 15. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the USB debugging option is found inside the developer options. So first, you have to enable developer options on your OnePlus 15. And to do that, go to settings. Under settings, you want to scroll down until you get to about device. Tap on that and then scroll and find version. Tap on that and then tap on version number about 7 times. You may be asked for a password if you have one, and then once you enter the password, it will tell you you're now in developer mode. So let's go and access that developer mode. So you go back to the main settings page and then go to system and update, and then now you will see developer options. Tap on that and now we are inside developer options. So in here is where you will find USB debugging. So if you scroll a bit, you should see the USB debugging option. This is where you enable it by confirming, and if it's enabled and you want to disable it, then you just turn this off. All right, thanks for watching and good luck.